What's going on, folks? I want to make this video to show you when you would know that you need new tires on your vehicle or not. There's actually things that's on your tires itself called tread bars. And what these tread bars do pretty much is let you know when your tire tread is worn down to where it's about time to get some new tires. If you look at your tires and you look into the grooves on your tires, what you should see is these little raised things just like that. You can see right here a little raised bar. If you go along your tire, you'll find multiple of these tread bars, and they also should be in each little groove. You see one right here, look over here, it's kind of dirty. You see another one right there. These are called your tread bars, and what this tells you is the amount of tread that's left on your tires before you would need to go ahead and replace them. So if you can see right here, if you look real close at that tread bar, as you can see, it's still below the length of the tire tread itself. So therefore what that tells me is that these tires right here do not need to be replaced yet. But say that tread bar is the same height as the tire tread, then what that tells you is it's time for you to go ahead and get you some new tires. Now of course those tread bars are actually getting higher than what your tire tread is, and definitely you're going to need new tires. A lot of times that won't happen because once the tread bar becomes equal to the tread on the tires, it'll wear down as you drive on it. So this is what these are called right here. They're called tread bars. So if you look at your tires, on all of your tires, just look in the grooves, along the grooves, and what you'll find is these tread bars. There's one here, the next lane right here is another one, the next groove right here is another groove. And also that can tell you if, say for example, you have uneven wear on your tires, like say the inside of your tires are wearing out quicker than what the outside of it is. Say it could be because you need a front wheel alignment. What you'll notice is the tread bar that's on the inside of your tire a lot of times will be higher up on your tread than what on the outside of your tire is. So what that tells you is that the inside of your tire is actually wearing out faster than the outside of your tire is. But as long as those tread bars are still below the tread, then you should be okay with needing new tires. But when you see those tread bars becoming just as high as the tread on your tire, or even with that, that tells you that it's time for you to go ahead and get you some new tires. Alright folks, once again, this is how you would be telling whether or not you need new tires on your vehicle or not, by looking at the tread bars that's actually on your tires. On just about all tires, you'll have these tread bars that's on it, and that's what's going to tell you when it's time to get some new tires. That's very important to do because having wore out tires can lead to higher chances of an accident as well as a blowout. As well, it can make your vehicle run funny because you can have treads on your tires that's way too low. So you will go around and check all of your tires to make sure that your tires are good. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.